Hey guys, Lockie here from 782 Motors on the Gold Coast again, showing you another car that's in our stock drop for this month. This is a really cool one. It's a nice blend for someone who's into both hot rodding and just classic cruisers. It's a 1936 Ford pickup. It's a US built truck, really nicely done. It's in this two-tone metallic champagne color scheme. Interior is a bit mild custom inside, nicely trimmed. It's got some aftermarket gauges and some billet handles, a nice wheel on it. Under the bonnet, you'll see the original style, but rebuilt Flathead V8. It's a 3-speed manual, sits on a nice set of white wall tyres, got the pop-out windscreen, some really nice details in this one. Check it out at www.782motors.com.au.